There are 4 main reasons why you should do ID verification on your Paxful account. The first is that you get to trade more than $1,000 on Paxful. The second is that you get to increase the number of offers you have access to on the platform. You'll find that some sellers and buyers are not comfortable trading with people that are not verified, and therefore you won't have access to their offers. The third reason as to why you should verify your identity on Paxful is to be able to convert one crypto into another. Without ID verification, all you can do on Paxful is buy and sell Bitcoin up to $1,000. If you are a consistent trader, if you like to trade often, that is not going to be enough for you. Then the fourth reason is that you are able to trade and send any crypto on the platform. Now, this identity verification process is very easy, and we managed to complete it in less than 10 minutes. The first thing you're going to need to do is definitely log into your account. You'll be directed to the Paxful dashboard, where you'll need to navigate to the profile icon in the top right corner and select My Profile. You'll need to click on Increase Trading Volume in the menu under Verifications, and you'll be directed to a page where you'll need to input key information about your identification document. Now, this information required will include the issuing country and the ID type. After that, click Start Verification Process. You'll be given a chance to choose your preferred upload method. You will have 2 options. One will be mobile, the other will be desktop. Now, if you opt to go with the desktop option, you'll need to use your webcam in order to take a photo of yourself, the selfie, and then to take a photo of your ID document. We opted for mobile, and by doing this, we were required to choose whether to receive the verification link by email or to scan the QR code on the screen in order to get that verification link. We opted to have the link sent to our email, and we were required to take a photo of our identification document, which in our case was a passport, and take a selfie as well. Now, they'll tell you how best to do this, but the most important factor is the clarity of these images. With the identification document, one thing that you need to focus on is the legibility of the details on that particular document. If you can't read what's on that document in that picture, then the person who's going to be reviewing your documents probably won't be able to make out any details as well. Once you've completed that process, you'll be notified that your documents are being reviewed and that you should check back in a few minutes. This process, after we handed in, took less than 5 minutes. And after that, we were given access to be able to trade up to $10,000 on Paxful. Speaking of which, you can see how easy it is to buy or sell Bitcoin on the Paxful platform by clicking on any one of these videos on the screen right now. For questions, comments, suggestions, see you in the comment section. Until next time.